Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to the English Spark. I'm your host, Emily, and I'm here to show you how learning English can be both straightforward and enjoyable.
Hello, Emily,
Yes.
and hi to all our listeners. I'm Paul, and I'm feeling fantastic today.
That's great to hear, Paul.
What has you in such a cheerful mood?
The sun is shining brightly. I always enjoy a beautiful, sunny day.
I am very well, thank you. I'm also feeling very happy and particularly excited today.
Excited? Why is that?
Because of our subject.
Yes.
Today's conversation is about a massive, crucial topic for all English learners.
Oh, a big topic. What exactly are we tackling?
Today, we are discussing how to effectively train your brain to start thinking and speaking directly in English.
That is a huge topic, Emily. Train my brain. It sounds intense, like a serious workout.
Yes, it is like exercise, but specifically for your mind.
Yeah.
It's about building new habits.
So, is this process going to be difficult or extremely time consuming?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
The best part is that it is surprisingly easy and definitely fun.
Easy and fun? Okay, I am certainly ready to learn that trick. Yeah.
That's the spirit.
Yeah.
But wait, before we truly dive in,
Oh, yes. Before we start, everyone, we have a quick, small request from our team.
if you like what we do here on English Spark, please take a moment right now and click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up icon. Click it now.
And please subscribe to the English Spark channel. Subscribing is hugely important. It helps us keep producing more free episodes for you.
Yes, share with everyone. Okay, I'm focused now. Train my brain.
Okay, Paul, let's start by identifying the common issue. When you want to speak English, what is the first thing your brain typically does?
What do I think? I usually think in my native language first.
Yes, your first strongest language. That's very common.
Yes.
I think of a word in my language,
Yes.
and then I silently translate that word or phrase inside my head.
Yes, translation.
Yes.
I understand that many students do this,
Yeah.
but it adds an extra slow step to the process. It is hard work.
Yeah.
And our primary goal, our big happy goal,
Yeah.
is to skip that step entirely and learn to think in English.
Think in English.
Wow.
Yes.
No translating needed, just immediate English output.
That sounds incredibly fast and much more natural.
It is fast and it feels natural.
Okay, I definitely want to achieve this. How do we start changing this habit?
We start extremely small.
And small steps.
Yes, very small
Yeah.
steps.
Repeated often.
Like just one single word. One word is good, but a small sentence is actually much
A
better.
sentence. Oh, that sounds big and intimidating.
No, a tiny sentence. Look, I have a pen right here.
Yes, you have a blue pen.
No, I don't just think pen. I think this is my pen.
This is my pen.
I see. Or I might think my pen is blue.
Yes,
Exactly.
Good job, Paul. Thank you.
Okay, so the exercise is form small, simple sentences in my head throughout the day. Yes, constantly.
Yeah.
It's easy. For example, think about your morning routine. When you wake up.
Okay. I wake up and stretch. I'm ready to start the day.
Yes, Paul. And what is the simple thought you can form in English?
I am awake.
I am awake. Good.
Perfect. Or you could think, I am hungry. I open the door.
Yes. Yes, this is exactly the exercise.
Yeah.
You've got it.
Really? Is this simple act truly training my brain?
Yes, absolutely. You are actively forcing yourself to form English sentences without relying on translation.
Yeah.
For instance.
I see my face in the mirror. I think, I am very handsome.
Okay, I like this tip. Tip number 1, think in small sentences.
I can do this when I am at home.
Yes.
And I can do this when I am on the bus.
Yes, on the bus.
Yep.
Describe what you see. Wow, Paul, you are doing great. Your brain is working quickly.
I am thinking in English constantly.
How does that feeling compare to translating?
It feels different, but in a good way. It feels lighter and faster.
Yeah, that's because you are connecting the English word directly to your real life and the actual object, not to your native language.
Yes. English life, no translation needed.
Exactly. This is the big secret to faster fluency.
Tip 1, small sentences. I am talking to Emily, and Paul is a good student.
Thank you. That's tip 1 mastered. Okay. What is the second powerful tip we have? Tip number 2 is all about
input.
Input. What does that term mean?
Input is simply letting English flow in.
Ah, I see. English goes into my ears. Yes.
Into your ears and also into your eyes.
Yes.
Listening constantly.
Like listening to this podcast.
Yes, Paul, that is a great idea. Listening to English Spark is excellent input.
We are great input. I agree.
When you regularly listen to Easy English, your brain begins to naturally recognize and absorb the language patterns.
Ah, the rhythm, the music of English. That's a
Yes.
lovely way to think about it.
Yes. What a wonderful word. The music of the language.
So consistent listening helps my brain start to think in English automatically.
Yes, exactly. You are providing your brain with continuous English food.
I like English food.
Yeah.
So specifically, what materials should I listen to besides our podcast?
Well, you can always listen to the English Spark channel, of course.
And also simple songs,
Songs.
music.
I definitely like music.
Find simple English songs that you genuinely like.
Yeah.
When you enjoy the music, listening becomes fun. It doesn't feel like difficult study or work.
Yes.
Look for simple pop songs. Some pop songs are very repetitive.
Yes.
The same simple words and phrases come up again and again in the chorus. Like,
I love you.
see, you already know it.
Yeah.
Simple music is great. What else should we use for input?
And watching.
Input for my eyes.
Yes. Watching videos. Movies are excellent, but sometimes the dialogue is too fast and complicated.
Yes.
Too fast. The words sound like fish, fish, fish.
Yeah. So find things you like to watch that use simple language. What are your personal interests, Paul?
I really like cooking.
Perfect. Find simple cooking videos in English. There is.
Oh, that is a great idea.
No. I see the tomato.
Yes, sir.
I see the salt. Exactly. And I cut the tomato. I add salt. This helps you instantly connect the English word to the visual action.
Wow, that is a truly great tip, Emily. I also like sports.
Yeah.
I love watching football.
Okay. So find short, simple videos, maybe news clips about football.
He kicks the ball. It is a goal.
Because the content is interesting, it is not boring. It is appealing and attractive.
Oh.
And my brain is happy.
Yes, a happy brain learns much faster and retains more information.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So for input,
Listen to simple podcasts and music and watch simple videos about things I genuinely like. Cooking, sports, maybe travel.
Yes, travel videos are great. This is Paris. It is
Yeah.
beautiful.
This is much better. Learning feels fun now.
Input. Listen and watch constantly.
This will feed and nourish my brain.
Okay.
Tip 1, small sentences. Tip 2, input, listen and watch. Are you ready for tip 3?
I am ready.
Tip 3 is called output.
Okay. Input is English going in.
output must be English coming out.
Yes, Paul. That's
No.
a perfect definition.
English out, like speaking.
Yeah.
But Emily, I have a problem. I am alone. I have no one around, no partner to talk to every day.
Yeah. You have you. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself. People will think I am crazy if they hear me.
Yes, in the shower. It is a fantastic and private way to train your speaking muscles. But what exactly do I say to myself?
Look around your room right now.
Okay, my room. Describe it. Speak the description out loud. Your ears need to hear your own English voice.
Okay.
This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big.
Okay.
I have a table. The table is brown.
Okay.
I see 2 chairs.
Great job, Paul. Keep the narration flowing.
A lamp. The lamp is on.
Wow, Paul, this is truly amazing.
I have a computer.
Right.
My computer is black. How does my brain feel right now?
Your brain is working hard, but efficiently. It is successfully finding the words you need. Yes.
And I am not translating, right?
No. You see the bed and you say the word bed. Yes.
I am connecting the physical thing, the object, with the English word.
This is effective training. This is how you firmly build English in the natural pathways of your brain.
And now I know I can do this.
Of course, Paul.
Yeah.
And you can also talk out loud about your day or your plans.
At night in bed, I can summarize. Today I was happy. I ate pasta for lunch.
Yeah.
I talked to Emily. Emily is very smart. So for starting this process, I don't need a partner.
A partner is good, very good for conversation practice, but you absolutely don't need one to start this kind of brain training.
I can start alone immediately.
Yeah.
I can start with me.
Right.
So tip 3, speak to yourself.
Yeah.
Describe your world out loud.
And we try förstås rado and ask simple questions. What am I doing now?
This is perfect practice.
Wow. Okay. This is a lot of genuinely good, actionable information.
Yeah. Let's quickly review the 3 steps.
Yes. Review. Tip 1, think in small sentences all day long.
I am walking. I am reading.
Yes.
Tip 2.
Input.
Yeah.
Listen and watch things I like and find interesting.
Guntrashya.
Yes.
Easy English only.
Podcasts like English Spark.
Yeah.
Simple songs and simple videos.
Videos about cooking or sports.
Yes.
And finally, tip 3.
Output. Speak.
Okay.
Speak to myself. Describe my room.
Yeah.
Describe my day. Like I am speaking English right now.
Yes, you are. You're doing great.
Emily, this is great. But is it fast? Do I learn fast? Will my brain be completely changed tomorrow morning?
No, it is a slow process. Learning a new language is inherently slow,
Yeah.
but that is perfectly okay. The key is to be patient.
Oh, okay. I will be patient.
Yes.
I will remember that.
Yes. And always be kind to your brain as it makes this big change.
Hello, brain. I will be kind.
Yes. Do these activities every single day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes is enough to start.
Not necessarily 2 hours of hard study.
Yeah.
If you have 2 hours, that's fantastic. But we know most people don't have much spare time.
Ah, okay. Small, consistent steps. And what if I make a mistake when I'm speaking?
Oh, that is a great question.
Yeah. For example, I might say, I is happy.
Oh, no.
I should say, I am happy.
Mistakes are actually good.
Yeah.
Mistakes are a normal, essential part of the learning process.
Yeah.
Mistakes mean you are actively trying and learning. When you make a mistake, you just say, oh, okay, that was wrong. And you try again immediately.
Oh, okay. I will be brave then.
Yeah.
I won't be afraid to be wrong.
And finally, remember to have fun.
Have fun.
Yes.
It absolutely must be fun. If
Yeah.
it isn't fun, I will stop doing it.
I like watching cooking videos.
Yeah.
That is fun. And I like talking to you, Paul. That is fun for me too.
Yeah.
Your English brain is definitely growing bigger and stronger.
That was a great episode, Emily. I feel much more confident about practicing now.
Thank you, Paul. You provided wonderful, relatable examples.
Thank you. I hope this truly helps everyone listening.
Me too. And if it helps you, everyone listening.
Yes, please. We have one more final request for you all.
Yes, please don't forget to subscribe to the English Spark channel.
Yes, subscribe for more easy, fun episodes.
And share this episode. If you have a friend learning English, send it to them right away.
Share the fun and the tips.
And we have one final question for you.
Ooh, homework.
Yes. Please leave a comment below.
What is the question, Emily?
Tell us, what specific activities do you do to train your English brain?
Ooh, good question.
Do you listen to music? Do you speak to yourself? Write your tips in the comments. We love reading them.
Thank you for listening, everyone. See you next time on English Spark. Bye-bye.